Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Solution Platform. Let us look at cross-chain liquidity protocols. Introduction. Interoperability challenge. Cross-chain liquidity protocols address the challenge of interoperability in the decentralized finance (DeFi) space. These protocols enable seamless movement of assets and liquidity across different blockchain networks. 2. The need for cross-chain solutions. Fragmentation. Blockchain ecosystems are often fragmented, with different networks supporting various tokens and assets. This fragmentation can hinder liquidity and limit the full potential of decentralized applications. 3. Core components. Smart contracts and oracles. Cross-chain liquidity protocols leverage smart contracts and oracles to facilitate secure and trustless interactions between different blockchains. Bridges. These protocols often include bridges, which are mechanisms that lock assets on one blockchain while issuing corresponding wrapped or synthetic assets on another, allowing assets to move seamlessly between chains. 4. Cross-chain token standards. Standardization. To facilitate cross-chain transactions, protocols may adopt standardized token formats compatible with multiple blockchains. Examples include wrapped tokens like wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, and synthetic assets. 5. Key cross-chain liquidity protocols. Polkadot. Polkadot is a multi-chain network that allows different blockchains to interoperate. Its relay chain connects various parachains, fostering cross-chain communication and asset transfers. Cosmos. Cosmos employs the inter-blockchain communication (IBC) protocol to enable communication between different blockchains. Zones within the Cosmos network can connect and transfer assets seamlessly. 6. Benefits of cross-chain liquidity protocols. Enhance liquidity. By connecting disparate blockchain networks, these protocols contribute to a more unified and liquid ecosystem, providing users with access to a broader range of assets. Diverse use cases. Cross-chain liquidity is essential for various use cases, including decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, and asset management, enabling these applications to operate seamlessly across chains. 7. Challenges and considerations. Security concerns. Interoperability introduces new security challenges, and protocols must implement robust mechanisms to secure cross-chain transactions. Oracles and data feeds. Accurate and reliable oracles are crucial for cross-chain protocols to obtain real-time data about asset prices and other external information. 8. Cross-chain DeFi applications. Decentralized exchanges, DEX's cross-chain liquidity facilitates trading of assets from different blockchains on decentralized exchanges. Users can trade directly without the need for intermediaries. Lending and borrowing platforms. Cross-chain liquidity enables users to borrow and lend assets across different blockchains, expanding the range of available collateral and loan options. Asset management. Asset managers can diversify portfolios across multiple blockchains, optimizing risk and returns through cross-chain liquidity. 9. Future developments. Growing ecosystem. As the crypto space evolves, more cross-chain liquidity protocols are likely to emerge, each with unique features and capabilities. Improved interoperability standards. Efforts to standardize cross-chain communication protocols and token standards will contribute to a more seamless and secure interoperable ecosystem. 10. Conclusion. Cross-chain liquidity protocols play a pivotal role in overcoming the interoperability challenges inherent in the decentralized finance space. As the crypto ecosystem continues to mature, these protocols will be instrumental in fostering collaboration among diverse blockchain networks, ultimately providing users with a more interconnected and efficient decentralized financial landscape.